Hey guys, welcome to the next practice question. And today I have a probability question for you. The probability of an event A occurring is 0.5 and of B is 0.3. A and B are mutually exclusive events. Find the probability that neither A nor B occurs. So this requires the knowledge of something called mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive or disjoint. It's one and the same thing. So mutually exclusive basically means the two sets have nothing in common. So the intersection of A and B is phi. Therefore, the probability of the intersection will be equal to 0 because the intersection is phi. So probability of that will be 0. Okay. Now what is given to us is probability A is equal to 0.5. Probability B is equal to 0.3. And very important, we need to find out probability that neither A nor B occurs. Now with this question, actually, I want to clarify to you guys a little bit of set theory out here. So when we have two sets and we are talking about elements which are neither in A nor in B. So neither A nor B basically means it is same as saying let me take with X belongs to neither A nor B. Okay, let's talk in terms of set theory. So it means we are talking about X belongs to, if it's not in A, it is in its complement. So X belongs to A complement and B complement. That's because we are talking about neither A nor B. So it cannot be in both. Okay. So X belongs to, that means A complement and B complement. That means X belongs to A complement intersection B complement. That means we are talking about X belonging to A union B whole complement. That's by De Morgan's law, right? Right? So in terms of probability, what are we trying to find out? In terms of probability, we are trying to find out probability neither A nor B occurs. That will be same as saying probability of the complement of A and B both occurred. The complement of this, which basically means that probability of this complement means 1 minus probability A and B. So that is 1 minus probability A union B. Okay. Okay. So this means we are talking about 1 minus probability A plus probability B minus probability A intersection B. The required probability is, we know what this is, 0.5. We know what this is, 0.3. And we know that this is 0 because they are disjoint. So the probability of intersection is 0. So hence you get 0.2 as the correct answer. Do we have an option? Yes, 0.2 is pretty much there. Option A is the correct answer. The second question for the day is from distributions of random variables. Let X be a random variable such that the expected value of modulus of X is less than infinity. That means you have a finite mean. If the mean of mod x is finite, that means definitely the mean of x will also be finite. And probability x greater than or equal to half plus x is equal to probability x less than or equal to half minus x for all x belonging to R. Then expected value of x is half and median is also half. Let's take expected value of x is less than half and median is half. And expected value is less than half and median is greater than half. These are the 4 options which will be correct. So the first thing is that mean is finite, that is given to you. And apart from that, a very important information that probability x is more than half plus x is equal to probability less than probability of x being less than half minus x. If that is the case, what does it tell you about this distribution, about this random variable? So if half is here, then if we take length x, we subtract half minus, if we do half minus x, okay, we subtract length x from half, we reach somewhere here, and we subtract the same, we add the same length x, we reach somewhere here. If you think in terms of continuous random variable and think in terms of area, then what is given to you is that this area is same as this area. If that is the case, that means they're symmetric. It's a symmetric distribution. This random variable definitely is associated to symmetric distribution. So therefore, distribution of x is actually symmetric around half. Half is that point around which it's symmetric. And therefore, mean for such a distribution, mean will be the center point. And of course, because this is dividing the distribution in 50-50% area, so therefore, median of x is also half. That's what median does. Median is that value on the left of which you have same area as you have on the right. And that's what median is, right? So median and mean both are actually the same when your distribution is symmetric. If your distribution is symmetric, mean, median, mode, all 3 of them are actually equal, right? And this gives you a chance to go back to statistics and work it out under which condition what happens. If it is a right skewed distribution, what will happen? If it's a left skewed distribution, what will be the relationship between mean, median, mode? Just check that out, okay? Hope this will help. Thank you.